Hey, welcome back to the farm. We got to get the garlic bed prepared. This is something new for us, so we're going to try this year. We're going to try to grow some garlic. You plant it in the fall, so I got to get that bed started. We're kind of already behind as usual. I'm down here with the mums, and first thing I do is water these mums, and then I'm going to get the John Deere and till that in a little bit, and I'm going to wait. Hopefully today is like the 1st of September, or else the day after Labor Day today. I don't know what the date is, but I'm going to till it now. I'm going to wait a week, till it again, hopefully cut down on the weeds. So I'm going to do my first pass today, and we'll film that. First thing I do is water these mums. They haven't been watered today, and I'm going to do that first. And I'll get you a shot of these. They're looking really good. I maybe see 2 or 3 that's not doing too good, but I mean, it's better than the first time. So we get them growing. So if we can just keep them growing. I fertilized them yesterday, so I'm fertilizing 2 to 3 times a week. I think if he's doing drip, you do it every day. Kind of doing overhead, so I'm just manually fertilizing. And let's get this done first, then we'll get the tiller down here, the John Deere, and I got my TYM down here. If I get time, I'm going to start the cleanup on the garden, because the garden's over with, especially this one up here, the north end. We do have some pumpkins, but they're not doing very good. South end, we got 2 rows of cucumbers and half a row of squash, and 2 rows of peppers, and they're still doing. We just planted the cucumbers about maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, and the squash, and they're getting pretty big now, so they'll start budding out here before long. So anyway, I'm rambling. Let's get this done, and then we'll do some tilling. We have been doing this in the morning. Allison's been coming down here and doing this every morning, or about mid-morning, I guess. But she got kind of behind today, so it's late in the evening. But it's still hot out here, so I'm not worried about the leaves getting wet and drying off before dark. So I wish we would have done good on the first batch. We'd be farther along now. Kind of worried about them blooming, not blooming. But that's all right. I mean, none of these don't do anything but make pretty leaves or whatever. We did some good learning. So next year when we do the real thing, we have to buy them at full price. We'll have a little sense maybe. You can see how good they look. We're really happy with the way they're turning out. So hopefully they'll flower out. And so I don't know, but they are pretty. All right, so I'm gonna go get the John Deere, and we'll go up here and I'll show you where we're gonna put the garlic plot. And if I get time, I'm gonna start the cleanup on this upper garden. We need to clean up this high tunnel right beside you. I'm not even going to show you that jungle. The other garden's not quite as bad. We started it a little bit, so uh-oh, about kicked one. Let me go get the John Deere, and I'll meet you up there at the garlic. Hey, if you like our good vibes, hit that subscribe. Okay, I got my John Deere. I think it's right over here with the tiller, and I'm gonna till this for we're gonna plant garlic, and now it won't take this whole long area down through here for it. I can't remember if I got a pound or a half pound. Let me turn my camera right in the sun. I can't remember if I got a pound or a half pound. It's a soft neck. There's soft and there's hard, and I think they recommended that we grow soft here in our area. They said we can grow hard too, or hard also, but they said the soft is a little easier for us down here. So, but I'm gonna till just about everything I got mowed here. I mowed it with a TYM before I did my chores, and even though it's going to take just a little piece, I think. And right over here's where the watermelons were. Watermelons are gone. Cantaloupes over there is gone. We got a few pumpkins over there, not many. It got so dry. It's just, we're not going to have a very good pumpkin crop, I don't believe. So we had good cantaloupe, we had good watermelon. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm going to go ahead and till this over because I'm going to expand this side of this garden, and I'm going to put sweet corn up here next year. Along with the garlic, just to what is that going to be, about 5 rows of sweet corn, and I'm just going to, a lot of it's going to be for ourselves, and a lot of it I'm just going to sell in the farm stand. I'm not going to take it to the farmer's market because you really got to have a large volume, I think, to take it to the farmer's market, but I think it'd do good in the stand. So that's why I'm going to till it more than I need. And then if I get time, which I don't think I'm going to because I got to mow the yard tonight, them ladies are on my tail. Had a little procedure done about 6 days ago. I had a day of prep and been on light duty, and I ain't got the yard mowed. And anyway, nobody cares, yada yada, right? So I'm gonna get this tilled, and I'll show you that. And if we have enough time, we'll start cleaning this up. I don't think I have time for that. I'm going to have to go mow. I'm not going to take you to mow. My goodness, ain't no big thrill watching somebody mow on a lawnmower. If you want to see me on a lawnmower, let me know in the comments, and next time I mow, I'll record. But I'm going to go ahead and get this going, and we'll see how it goes here, and I'll show you the tiller and everything, and let's get it going. Okay, I got tilled what I wanted to. Now you can tell this from here over has been tilled before. This right here has never been tilled or worked, as far as I know. You know, maybe back before me, but I've never done anything over in here. And you can tell, I don't know if you could hear by the sound, but it was really a lot louder turning it up. This got a lot more grass in it too. So I'm gonna let this sit for a week and I'm gonna hit it again. And then we'll come back and we'll try to plant some garlic. I think it's supposed to rain in a couple of days, so that'd be good for it. Dirt looks really good. And I know I was talking about putting it down where my sweet corn was this year, which is down that way. But I was reading where it needs to be in kind of a good draining spot, and that's kind of gets wet down there in the winter. So this right here's got kind of a slope to it, and I figured it'd drain good here. Still got good dirt, but it won't just sit there in moisture and rot the garlic bulbs out. So that's the reason I'm moving it up here. And I was gonna move my corn up here anyway and do this, try it next year right here. I might even go a little wider. I don't know, we'll see. So anyway, little different video. I was wanting to get this, start cleaning up on this garden, but it's 15 to 8 and I got about 30 minutes of daylight and I got to go get that yard mowed. So I'm gonna go do that. If I don't get that yard mowed, I'll be sleeping down there with the goats, and they smell. Or the piggies. I guess I could sleep with the piggies. They don't smell too bad yet. And they cuddle more, probably, the piggies were. I've got where they like me to pet them, but that's kind of a bad thing because, you know, anyway, kind of rambling again. Hey, we do a live on Monday night, 7:30. We're back in the saddle this coming Monday night. We took last Monday night off because of Labor Day. We'll be back. I can't remember the date. Just look for us. I'll put it on Facebook and Instagram. All right, appreciate everybody watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. And we'll see you down here at the farm next video.